In the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity, new vulnerabilities emerge daily, posing significant risks to organizations worldwide. The recently disclosed CVE 2024-8909 highlights the urgency of addressing security flaws in popular Chromium-based browsers. This vulnerability can expose systems to unauthorized access, phishing, and even arbitrary code execution. CVE 2024-8909 is a critical vulnerability impacting individual users and enterprises using Chromium-based browsers. The vulnerability stems from improper validation and processing of UI inputs, enabling attackers to manipulate browser behaviors. Unpatched systems are vulnerable to exploitation, leading to user data breaches and arbitrary code execution. Industries like finance, healthcare, and government face heightened risks from this vulnerability. To mitigate CVE 2024-8909, update to the latest browser version to ensure protection. Deploy patches silently across management tools like Microsoft Intune and SCCM using specific commands. Patching improves security posture by preventing exploits and aligning with compliance standards. By taking proactive measures, organizations can safeguard their systems against threats like CVE 2024-8909.